Hello, good morning. I am Seema Garg, Associate Professor in Chemistry, SPC Government College, Ajmer. Today, video 133. It is about chemical reactivity of alkynes. It is for BSc Part 1 Organic Chemistry, Paper 2. Chemical reactivity of alkynes. Alkynes having pi electrons. So, electrophiles can easily add it to the reactant. So it will give electrophilic addition reactions. See here how this halogen is added to alkynes. It will react it 2 times and it will give tetrahalides. Alkynes are less reactive in comparison to alkenes due to following 2 reasons. Due to greater electronegativity of sp hybridized carbon atoms of a triple bond than sp2 hybridized carbon atoms of a double bond alkenes. So pi electrons of alkynes are more tightly held by the carbon atoms than pi electrons of alkenes and hence not easily available pi electrons of alkynes for reactions. Second reason is due to cylindrical nature of pi electron clouds of alkynes, the pi electrons of a triple bond are more delocalized than that of pi electrons of a double bond. Therefore, pi electrons of the triple bond are less readily available for the reactions. See here. Here. It is a slow reaction mechanism. We will get here tetrachloroethane. But see here how these reactions react with this alkynes added and fast, and here we will get this 1122 tetrachloroethane. Addition of hydrogen halide. See here, fast reaction, and we will get this secondary carbonium ion and primary carbon. So here, possibility of 2 gem dihalide, and we get gem dihalide. Addition of HBr. It will add according to Markovnikov rule. Here again, if HBr is reacted in presence of peroxide, then we will get gem dihalide alkane. This reaction is not possible with HCl and HI. As we had already talked in the earlier class of alkenes, why they are not reacted because of the bond cleavage capacity of HBr is more compared to HCl, and HI will not reacted, but it will reform or rearrange to the original product. Metal ammonia reduction. The reduction of alkynes with lithium or sodium metal in liquid ammonia produces trans-alkenes rather than cis-alkanes, involving anti-addition of hydrogen atoms to the carbon-carbon triple bond. See here. Here, how this will, it will give trans-alkene. In step 1, it will sodium will give electrons, and then hydrogen will react, and here this trans form is more stable than compared to cis form. So we will get trans alkene, hydroboration or oxidation. Here again, it will give us reacted borohydride according to Markovnikov rule, but we will give this product according to anti-Markovnikov rule, and then it will rearrange to aldehyde. Mercuration. Hydration, if we will carried out in presence of mercury salt, we will get addition according to anti-Markovnikov rule, and we will get this ketone product. Dimerization, linear polymerization. See here, if two molecules of alkynes will reacted in presence of copper chloride, it will give us vinyl acetylene dimer, and on further reaction with acetylene, it will give divinyl acetylene trimer. Vinyl acetylene is used as a starting material for the manufacture of synthetic rubber. See here, one for addition, chloroprene is obtained, and this chloroprene is on polymerization, it will give neoprene synthetic rubber. Cyclic polymerization, trimerization. When acetylene is passed through red hot iron tube, trimerization occurs with the formation of benzene. It is a very useful and important reaction. Three molecules of acetylene, when reacted, it will form benzene molecule at higher temperature. Similarly, trimerization of propyne results 1,3,5-trimethylbenzene acetylene. When four molecules of acetylene will reacted with nickel cyanide at high pressure, it will give cyclooctatetraene. Rearrangement of alkynes. One alkyne, when reacted with in presence of alcoholic KOH, it will give alene, and this alene will rearrange to two alkynes. Reduction. When this alkyne is reduced in presence of platinum carbon catalyst, it will give alkenes. On further reduction, it will give alkane. Oxidation. The reaction of alkynes with ozone or KMNO4 leads to the oxidation cleavage of carbon-carbon triple bond with the formation of carboxylic acids. See here, it will give us carboxylic acid. Ozonolysis. On ozonolysis also with ozone, triazonide, and then diketone, and on hydrolysis it will give corresponding acids. Nucleophilic addition reaction. Even the concentration of electron on the alkyne is more than that of alkene, but the reactivity towards electrophilic addition is low. But nucleophilic addition reaction could occur in alkynes compared to alkenes. See here, this reactivity will be increased when electron withdrawing group attached to it. See here how this nucleophile is attracted. It will to alkene, it will sp3 hybridized, it is less stable. When nucleophile is attached to the alkyne, it will give more stable this intermediate. It is called vinylic carbonyl. So alkyne undergo nucleophilic addition because of formation of stable vinylic carbon mechanism. See here how it is reacted. Nucleophile is added and we will get carbon anion, and then on protonation it will give addition reaction. We can get, if we will add a hydrogen cyanide, it will give corresponding nitrite compound. Thank you very much for today's lecture. In next lecture, we will discuss about the dienes and reactivity of dienes.